sobrang bilis nung aming travel ngayon, yung process. Kasi we didn't come early. Okay pala yun, hindi nagpupunta ng maaga sa airport. Kasi dire-diretso lang. After immigration, bumili lang kami ng water and tinapay. That's what they're eating now, muffin and bread. Yan, this is sila pag-shot kay Ate Joy, Ate Kate, and Mama. And then, pagtapos, nagpunta na kami sa gate namin, gate 7. Pagdating sa gate 7, pinag-board na kami ng plane. Hindi na kami nakaupo. And yan, dire-diretso lang kami. Hindi naman malayo yung upuan namin ngayon. Nasa row 22 lang kami. This is Drogo. I'm in the middle. And Kita and Elsa is in the aisle. And then, I just give this, yung sticker. Binigyan ko si Drogo para, mag-busy siya. Thank you, Lord. So far, Drogo is very behaved. So, maraming dinosaur talaga. Mamaya magpupulot pa ako sa ilalim. Kasi may mga natatanggal. Serve ng food kasi grabe yung turbulence. Nung kami na yung next na isi-serve dapat, nag-stop muna. Pero okay lang naman kasi tulog pa yung mga anak ko. So, hindi ko nga rin talaga sila balak isingin kasi mas priority ko makatulog sila para hindi nila maramdaman yung biyahe. Eh, si Drogo gising na. So, bawal ako matulog. Beef with mashed potato, may dessert, and may salad. May mga times talaga, no, kailangan octopus shop kami. Nakumutan ko pa yan si Nelsa. Ay, mahirap talaga mag-travel na mag-isa. Pero syempre, bilang nanay, wala tayong hindi kaya. Actually, hindi ko masyado nalasahan kanina yung beef ko. Pero malambot na malambot kasi ang lakas ng turbulence habang kumakain ako. So, iniisip ko kung titigil ko na ba yung pagkain. Pero sabi ko, tuloy lang. Tinuloy ko pa rin siya kahit ang lakas ng turbulence. Kinakain ko yung beef. Kasi ang pait ni Drogo. As in, he allows me to eat. Tahimik lang siya. Tapos, masarap din yung spaghetti ng kids. Tapos, hindi siya makalat kasi hindi siya yung parang sauce na dikit sa damit, ganun. Sarap din. Hindi siya maasim, tama-tama lang. Hindi siya matamis. Parang lasang butter. Tapos yun nga, yung dessert ng kids masarap. Chocolate talaga siya na may cream. Yung chocolate niya lasang mayaman. Ito naman, lasang mahira. Hindi siya chocolate eh. Parang gelatin na creamy. Makulit. Try muna ako. Is it 10? 8, 9, 10. I'll give you another one. 1, you count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, but it's not a long flight like we had the first one. And ito kasi kami nag-land sa area yung parang may garden by the bay. But we only have 3 hours here in Doha, so hindi kami makakaikot masyado. This is Fendi. You remember this place, kids?
Yeah.
Huh? Where you eat with mama? Right? Ayan, no? Yan yung ano, parang meron silang indoor garden. Yan. But we have to find our gate first. Okay, let's go this side, guys. So, kaya pala kami dito binaba kasi, oh, look, oh. Do we have, meron na ba silang ganyan na nagpunta tayo? Yung mga statue. Ah, talaga. I haven't seen them. Meron na pala. Ayun, no, may mga statue ng ano, gorilla. Okay. So, ayan yun. Ayan, si Kita. Okay. Na. Choose the flavor fast. So, we are here in Snowflakes. Which flavor? Vanilla?
But I don't have vanilla.
Do you have vanilla? Yeah. Yeah, one. Nakapag-freshen up naman kami ng konti. We went to the washroom and we changed our clothes.
I got mango ice cream.
And we bought ice cream from Snowflakes. And we are now in our boarding gate. So, in less than 20 minutes, magbo-board na kami ulit ng another plane naman to Hong Kong na. Okay, kami na ulit guys. Attend ko muna si
Do you know
Togo.
what the black stuff looks like? Season.
Airplane. Naka-board na kami guys. And tabi-tabi kaming apat. Happy! We get the middle chair na ano, middle seat na apat kami. Droga dito. And gumagawa siya ng ano, parang face. And Kita and Elsa is exploring na their kiddie toy from Qatar Airways. Yeah. Drogo 2 has his own. We haven't opened it. I'm so happy. Drogo is so busy. Parang face. Where is B? Have you found B? We have arrived. We are here in Hong Kong. Yes. How was the flight?
It was pretty good. It was okay.
It was tiring, but it was better, right? Drogo was so behaved, right?
Just slept.
Yeah. He has done well. Okay, okay, look, watch out. Saan yan? From Doha. From Doha. Ayan, sa carousel number 12. 12. Belt 12. Where's 12? 12. I saw it already. It's here, it's here. Guys, it's here. This is 15, 14, so 12 is over there. Ayan, okay. We're just done with the immigration. Now we're gonna get... Can you get like that, anak? One trolley, just one. I think one can fit it. Do you know how to get right? You have to push the handle.
I don't want to do that.
Or you can get one also. Sige, pag hindi kasha yung baggage, tigisa. Push the handle down. I push, press it down. Ang lalaki na ng mga anak ko. Ayan, yeah. You press it when you're about to push, yeah, so that it will work. Okay, let's go to Carousel 12. Meron din pala dito sa 12. Pinahirapan ko pa yung mga anak ko. Okay. What? Oh, okay. Get it. Sige na, okay lang yan. What? I didn't understand your question. What type of hotel do you like? Huh?
No, like, what hotel are we going to? The one like last time?
Yeah.
I love that one.
Okay. Big girl na. Hanapin na natin yung ating driver kasi nag-book tayo ng pick-up sa Klook. Ayan. Hindi pa magamit yung ating affiliate link kasi hindi ko pa tapos ayusin. Ayan. So, ginamit muna natin yung mga affiliate nung mga pinapanood nating mga vlogger. Siyempre, ang favorite ko. Who's my favorite?
No.
Go with me.
No.
Mel. Mel, you're my favorite. And syempre si Enzo din. So, ganyan guys. And hanapin nyo yung name ni Mami. Maria Concepcion. Hanapin nyo. Kasi yung susundo sa atin. Gusto mo ikaw kay Drogo? Ako dyan. Meron siyang signboard ng pangalan ni Mami. Pangalan ni Mami, meron siyang dalang signboard. So, pag may nakita ka na pangalan ni Mami, oo, ayan, nasa dulo yun. Nandyan yan siya, hanapin natin. Huwag mo kaming banggain. Alis ka dyan, dito ka sa kabila kita. Let's go to the other side. So, hindi pa natin nakikita. Wala pang nag-aangat ng pangalan natin. Ano, wala pa yung ating driver.
This is big.
So, kunin muna natin yung ano. Kunin muna natin. Ito muna, Nelsa. Dito ka lang sa gitna. Yan, stop there, stop there. I'll just get yung SIM card natin first. So ayan guys, papunta tayo dito. Diba, ang sosyal. Nandito tayo sa Limousine Lounge.
So this is an old jacket to remote.
It's okay lang, you just use it once. Ano paglabas mo? Hotel na? Sa airport pa lang?
Hotel na?
Ito na, malapit lang yun. It's not far. Can I put this there? Can I put there?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, my kids. I'm here. I'm just here. I'm just giving your food. Wait, Drogo, I'm coming. Yeah. Okay, go to the back. Sam goes to the back. Nakasakay na kami sa van. Nandun na yun sa loob.
Sa likod.
Yeah. Sinasara ko yung van, sumasara pala mag-isa.
Yung maliit na bag ko ah.
Sumasara pala yung pinto mag-isa, tinutula ko pa.
Ang ginagawa mo.
Pinipindot lang pala. Okay. We're in Hong Kong
Mommy,
now. Alam niyo ba, excited na akong makakita ng kama. Sa tagal ng biyahe, gusto ko nang humiga. Pero, kakain muna tayo. Hindi pwedeng hindi tayo kakain. Kasi, worst come to worst, kung sarado na. Pero sa Temple Street, bukas pa yun for sure. Pero may 7-Eleven naman. So, 10:06, 10:07, 10:02 tayo.
Oh, you can do it.
Yeah. Camera muna papasok. Na ganun napapanood ko kay Mel. Camera muna pumapasok. So, si Nelsa muna papasok kasi siya ang camera girl.
No.
Marami naman naglalakad. Pero kasi sabi ng lalaki, mas mabilis daw kung magle-left ako. So, sundin na lang natin siya. Kahit gusto kong mag-right, magle-left na lang ako. Hindi, tanungin ko muna si Google Map. Guys, makita ko na yung McDonald's. At ang daming tao pa. Grabe. Ano na ha, para mag-1 AM na. Yung McDonald's dito, open 24 hours. Tapos yung 7-Eleven, talagang literal na dikit-dikit sila. Dito. Ayan. Bukas din pala to, oo. Oh, ang dami kakainan. Pero yung kanina, tumatanggap sila ng card. Ay, grabe. Ang sarap. What is this? 5 treasures. Sarap. Actually, may open pa na parang street food, mga fishball, ganyan. Kaya hindi ko na tinanong kasi parang cash lang eh.
Mami, pwede ako dito?
Ang sarap.